Children, hope you all are doing well. And now we are going to start our today's topic. Uh, in the live class, I taught it, and it is very good to join the live classes to get live responses and healthy learning experience, and you will enjoy it. So, join the classes, live classes, as soon as possible, because many of you are not joining that. Well, let's start with this diary entry. As you know, students, that this diary entry is a kind of personal writing. Everybody has got a personal diary, so it's a personal piece of writing. Any of the person can write it personally. So what are the key points that you need to keep in mind? They are that is number one, what it is that we write a diary to record the day's events. We write a diary to record the day's events. Can you see this? The first point you can see clearly, that we write the diary to record the day's events, means whatever happens in the whole day, that we record in our diary. Next, the second point, it is we write a diary entry at the end of the day when we are going to sleep. This is also very important point, that a diary entry is written after the end of the whole day when we are going to sleep. And before going to sleep, suppose that we sleep at 9 p.m. or 9:30 p.m. or 10 p.m. maximum. So before 15 or 20 minutes, we go on the desk and open the diary and write whatever the things that has happened in the whole day. Now here comes the third point, and that is we can include all the interesting events of the day in our diary. Whatever happens in our diary in the whole day, that we can write in our diary. This is very simple. And in the live class also, I asked this question, that how many of you have a personal diary? How many of you have a personal diary? Because it is very important to have a diary. So how many of you have a diary? So most of the students were saying that they are having a diary. But for those who don't have a diary, I would like to tell you that you must have a diary, because having a diary is very good. You keep your personal diary. If you don't have a diary, then you can make a notebook. Okay, you can make a notebook as a treat it as a diary, and write daily's events, means whatever you done throughout the day, whatever you did in the whole day. Which class, which chapter is taught, what the interesting thing that you liked about that day, that teacher's lecture, or something that you learnt in the day, what your father told, what your mother told, in which story, which moral you got in that day. Okay, and suppose that it was your birthday, then you can write what you did the whole day. And suppose that this was your brother's marriage, then what you did on that day, है all the things you can write in your personal diary. And it is very fascinating. It creates a lot of things. It creates your expression power, your writing skills, your thinking ability, everything it develops. So this is must to have a diary. So I hope that you will all have a diary. Okay, so let's move to our next slide. So this is what our diary, what are the key points of the diary entry. Now we are going to discuss about the format of a diary entry. Format means how to write a diary entry, how to write this diary entry. This is the format of that diary entry. So here in the diary entry, what we write, first of all we need to write this day, means today is Saturday, then date 18th of July 20, then time 9:30 p.m. because we write the diaries in the before we going to sleep, so it would be in the night time. Okay, before we are going to sleep, in the evening 9:50 9:30 p.m. So in this way you need to remember DDT, this day, date and time. These are the must things to write when you are going to write a diary entry. And then the salutation, this dear diary, and today was a great day, and whatever it was, whatever the things that you do in that day, that you can mention that today was my birthday, I ate all this and that, and I cut the cake, I invited my friends, and my mother cooked a lot of things, and delicious dishes, and we danced on the dances and all that. Okay, and whatever we played the games, and like ludo, chess, and whatever. Okay, and table tennis, whatever the games were available there, video games we enjoyed, watching a movie or whatever. So all the things you can mention that were interesting on that day, and in the end you will write that's all for today, and at the end you will write the name. You can see this, can you see this? At the end you can write the name, and in the name, in the diary entry, you need not to write your surname because it's a personal kind of writing. So it's not like that you will write the Paras Saxena or like Diksha Rathore. If you write, then you write only your first name, that would be sufficient, because it's a kind of personal writing, personal piece of writing. So you can write this diary entry. So this is the format, and you can write. Now move to our exercises. What you need, what is your homework today? And that there is your MCV book, your Wordsworth reader book. In that book there is a poem, there is a poem, that is chapter 3, How Beautiful is the Rain. In that there is a heading, Be Creative. In that Be Creative heading, there is a diary entry that says that you experienced a rainy day and at home, and write about it in a diary entry. So in this question it is asked that you experienced a rainy day and you need to write about it. So you will follow this proper format that I discussed: day, date and time, and then dear diary, and then today was a great day, and then you will write what are the things that you did on the rainy day. So it was a rainy day today. Whatever the things that you did on that rainy day. I watched the rain through the window. Okay, and it was very beautiful, and the water was the water was very cool, and the cool wind was blowing, and in this way you can mention whatever the things that you experienced, like I made paper boats and sailed it on the running water, and I watched the water coming through the roof, in the drains, and I watched the water in the streets, overflowing streets, and in the poem also the number of things you watched. In the same way you can see, and my mother cooked pakoras or samosas, and I drank tea and all that, and I watched the rain, whatever the things that you did on that day, that rainy day, that you can. And children were saying number of things in the live classes, that I do these things, I bath in the rain. So in the normal days you can bath also in the rain, that's pretty good, but nowadays that the corona pandemic is running, so it is not advised to bath in the rain. But for the writing purpose you can write. In the normal days you bath in the rain, and okay, and you enjoy bathing also in the rain and playing in the rain water sometimes when it is a normal time. So you can remember that, and you can write it in your diary entry, and in the same format you follow, and you can write the things that you experience the whole day. Okay, and okay, so whatever the ideas come in your mind, that you will write in a rough notebook first, and then place in the work group. Then I will see that this is correct or incorrect, and then you will write it in your fair notebook. And when I permit, when I can check it, then you will write it. Okay. So I hope you can write this diary entry now. Enjoy learning. Bye. Take care. Have fun.